Welcome to my channel. Today on my channel, I'll be teaching you how to prepare strawberry ice cream. In few months, it'll be summertime and I'm sure you guys will love to prepare your own homemade ice cream. Trust me, it is yummy. Come with me and I'll show you the ingredients I'll be using today. Right here, I've got my strawberry ready. Here, I've got my hand whisk ready. I've also got my juice blender ready. I've got my food coloring ready, my bowl and my spatula ready. Here I've got a cup of condensed milk ready. I've also got 2 cups of double whipping cream ready. And when I say cup, I mean cooking measurement cup. Come with me guys and let's get cooking. First, I'm going to start by blending the strawberries. When you're blending the strawberries, do not add water. After blending, just set aside. Now I'm going to pour the double whipping cream into the bowl and whisk until it forms soft peaks. Afterwards, I'm going to add my condensed milk and whisk again. After whisking, I'm now going to add my blended strawberries and also add my food coloring and use my spatula to mix thoroughly. After mixing, I'm now going to use my whisk to whisk it thoroughly, and as you can see, it's coming out nicely, and trust me, it will taste really nice. My ice cream is ready. I'm now going to transfer it into a bowl and I'm going to put it in the fridge. I'm leaving it in the fridge for at least 8 to 10 hours. Now, after 8 to 10 hours, my strawberry ice cream is ready. I'm now going to serve the ice cream. It's looking yummy and delicious. As you can see, it has been served and it's inviting. Now you can serve it with fresh strawberry and also strawberry syrup if you like it strong. Trust me, this strawberry ice cream is yummy. Have you already subscribed to my channel? If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go to the right side of your phone and press subscribe, and also like and share my videos. Trust me, this is the page to be. Also, if you have a special guest coming to your home and you want to treat them, this is a very yummy dessert you can treat them with. Homemade strawberry ice cream. I'm sure you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you for those that subscribe to my channel, and thank you for all those that are supporting and standing by me. God bless you all. Have a beautiful new week. Bye. Ciao.